Let's talk about comments in HTML. Comments in HTML are very important pieces of text added to the HTML code but are not displayed on the web page. Comments can be used for various things. Comments can be used to document the code. This is when the developer wants to explain what a particular piece of code is doing. Comments can be used for debugging. When something is going wrong, you can comment out a piece of text to actually inspect what is going on with the web page. Comments can be used in collaboration. This is communication between two developers that are working in the same code base to actually avoid conflicts. Comments can be used by technologies in the web browser, such as accessibility technologies, which are technologies that translate the page that read the page to visually impaired users for them to actually understand what is on the page. Let's take a look at comments practice. So I have my web browser on the right here and my code editor on the left. So let's type in some HTML boilerplates. So we have this ready for us. Let's change the title to comments. And in the body, let's create a structure. Let's put in a heading here. H1. Hello. This is heading. And then let's type in some lorem tests in the paragraph. Lorem 20 120 tests. And let's add in say an em tag here, which is for emphasis, or that also makes the text italic. So let's put in HTML as the author. Let's take a look at the structure we just created. So we can see we have the heading here, the paragraph, and the HTML stuff here. So to comment a code, we use the open angle brackets followed by an exclamation mark with two minus signs and two minus signs with a closing angle bracket. So there is a shortcut to do that actually. To comment out a code in HTML, let's highlight the part of the code that we want to comment out and then press Ctrl//. Now you can see the code has been commented out for us. The comment has been added to this particular heading. You can also, let's refresh the page to see the results. You can see the heading element is no longer showing on the page because we actually added the comment. So let's add, for instance, a little documentation. This below is a heading element. So let's save and refresh the page. Now we can see, even though we've added this portion, this text into our code, it is not displayed on the page. Now we can actually see the effect of comments in code. So that's it basically. To comment out again something, just highlight it and then press Ctrl//.